Well, it's the end of the month, and you know what that means. It's time to open up the next dungeon crate. I'm John, and you're watching Dragons and Flagons. Okay, here we go. Here is the dungeon crate, still sealed. So we're gonna all open this up together and be surprised. Got my knife. Let's get it cut open. Maybe. Apparently my knife's a little bit dull. All right, let's see what's inside. We got our paper. Get rid of that. All right. Foam Brain Games. Halfling Mystery Loot includes one mini plastic RPG dice set. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside this thing. It's a tiny, teeny weeny little dice set. Very cute. All right, so a little mini dice set. More stickers. Love stickers. Okay, looks like we got an Omaha 3D Prints Undead Pirate. That's what it says here. Let's take a look and see what it is. Man, there's something exciting looking like it in the box, so let's get through this mini and let's see what else we got here. Okay, so it comes with a nice little stand that we can glue it onto, because he's definitely not going to stand on his own. There's our mini. Little undead skeleton looking guy. He's got a shield. He's getting out of focus there. Let me slow down. Here you are. All right. Okay, this looks like our big thing this month. It's leather bound. It's not too bad quality here. It's got a nice little, it says 50 francs. That's the little pin here. Let's get it open so we can see what's inside this thing. I'm struggling. Wrapping it around. And it looks like, clanging and banging. Looks like it's something I can shove supplies in, or pencils, gaming supplies definitely. On the other side, we've got a nice little map etched on this leather. It's actually kind of nice. I personally am kind of impressed with this. It's neat. I mean, I could put whatever in here. All right, now I've got a knife case. There's our secret code and a bookmark. I love bookmarks, so I can see what the online goodies are. Looks like we have Dungeon Mapper, dungeoncrate.com. So it's down here, and it's kind of hard to see here, I think, but you can see that it's got little grid lines, or the beginnings of grid lines. So you could make yourself a quick map, dungeon map or something, sitting in the airport. Maybe put it in your Padfolio thing here. Also a dungeoncrate.com. It looks like an item name. So you can make, a magic item. You can draw a picture, add its rarity, the item type, and then a description, attunement, and value. It's a whole pad of these things. Is there anything on the backside? No. But that's kind of fun. I mean, I guess if you've got magic items that you want to pass out at the table, you could write them down in advance and hand them out that way. Into the darkness, delve into the darkness. Order the mystery horror vault. Looks like an ad of some sort. All right, and here's our game. Get rid of this paper. Looks like we got a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, so we have, and I am not going to pronounce this all right, the Jewels of Onasha? Sure. Looks like a game. You get 12,700 experience, difficulty deadly, level 7. It's got a nice little synopsis here. Yeah, and nice map. A couple other little maps here. I'll have to read through that later. These are typically, they belong with the game. So we've got Bugbear Shaman with all of the stats in here. It looks like this doesn't explicitly say if it's a Pathfinder or 5th edition, and looks like we have a fearsome head. It's a magic item, wondrous item, very rare, requires attunement. Interesting, probably goes with the game again. This is Chaos at the Temple, a 3rd level encounter written by Kevin Coffey. Dungeon crate on the bottom here as well. Simple treasure-seeking expedition into an ancient temple ruin turns into a harrowing adventure when a tribe of bugbear raiders is found inside, overrun by a horde of undead. This should be fine. Nice little map in here. This could make a fun little solo adventure as well. Just my opinion on these. You can just read through them. There's not too much to them, but they're enough to be entertaining to see if you can get to G or the end or whatever it is. Nice little treasure at the end. Is this another ad? Looks like, yeah, I got an ad for something. Omaha 3D Prints, that's who made our little mini and a lot of in the past as well. This month's model is an undead pirate skeleton. Comes from Mia K's current ongoing Kickstarter, the Pirate Collection. So if you see this, looks like there's a Kickstarter campaign here. I am all about supporting. This channel is about the community, and whether or not Mia K is a subscriber or even knows who the hell we are, we should support other people that are doing things to make our games and our fun better. So, you know, I'll make sure to put Mia's Kickstarter information in here. I don't know when it expires or anything. We have a Pelicana Vault. It's a wondrous item. It's rare. Looks like it's a box of some sort. Small stone boxes are lined with koya wood and are decorated with symbols and carvings of island scenes. So a nice little rare item. And then here's the art. Try not to get too much glare. This Anna. I'm not going to even say it. It's just another word that I can mispronounce. Sea Spirit. It's a medium fey, neutral, and this goes with the Jewels of the O word adventure. So, all right, more fun stuff. That about wraps this one up, but I'm just going to take another look at this. They provided, how many little pouches do we have in here? Can any of these things fit in it? No, I mean, I'm going to be honest. Oh, well, take that back. Looks like it goes all the way through, so you can fit some stuff in here. I'm not sure how well it would close, but I can definitely find something that I could do with this. It looks, honestly, and maybe I'm wrong, I'm not a leather worker or anything along those lines, but it does look like it's hand-stitched in some way, or at least quick machine stitched. We're not talking the finest quality here. It's pretty thin. It's felt of some sort, but it's kind of fun. I don't know. So I don't know what you guys thought about this month's Dungeon Crate, but it was interesting. It wasn't the best one, but this little folio wraparound thing, this piece here, it's kind of interesting. It's neat. I think it would look nice on my display case. The dice, I can never have enough dice. I like having, and the little mini dice, I could probably find some small little jars and maybe make some healing potions or something out of those. As always, there's paper, tons of games in little paper, but this month seemed like a lot of paper. We got the magic items as well as the dungeon grid paper. I don't know how useful. I can definitely use this dungeon grid paper here as just note taking and things along those lines. Our Diana Acrobat, it's going to go great with Presto. Hopefully I can collect them all. We'll see. The mini, that was kind of fun. It doesn't look like the greatest quality, but it's serviceable for a tiny little skeleton, little undead skeleton that you're going to fight in a dungeon. You're not needing the great. I mean, it's not a display piece, but it's definitely a functional piece that you could use in your game. I'm going to post this as soon as I'm done editing this video. It's a Kickstarter project, M3DM, The Pirate Collection by Mia K, all in dashes. Let's see if I can get a little closer just in case you don't go to the description. But yeah, check them out. I always recommend going to look at other people, support people in the community that are working hard to make your games more fun. And if I'm making your games more fun, or if you're getting anything out of this, please make sure you like, subscribe, do all the normal YouTube things. It really does help the channel. And I know you hear that from every channel that you hear, but I've been digging into the analytics and just learning more about how this stuff works as I'm growing and learning in this. And there's a definite correlation between if you give a little thumbs up, more people see it, the algorithm or something along those lines. It really cares about those things. And yeah, and if you want to get this type of content in the future, hit that subscribe button and you'll get it when I get around to it. I'm trying to get better at posting more often, but life gets in the way sometimes. So until next time, see you later.